Determining bias. I've given you the best you can learn in 2 minutes. Determining the bias is really and truly easy. Just follow me over to the charts real quick. I'll show you exactly why I say it's easy. So the very first thing you have to look at is the time frame that you're trading. What time frame are you on? Are you trading 1 hour, 30 minute, 10 minute, 1 minute? I don't care.
Damn, that brother cold.
Look on the top right of the screen, as you can see, I'm hovering over here right now. Bullish, bearish, it tells you exactly what your bias is. And then that's obviously what you want to follow on your lower time frame. Why would you do anything else? So very simply put, if you can see exactly where I'm hovering right now, then you can understand every one of these plots that are placed above my 5-minute candle. That's exactly the high that I want to trade through, obviously, since we're in a bullish bias. So even though I see that bearish plots are plotting right here, I really don't care about it. Why? Because as you can see on both the 5-minute and the 1 hour over here, there's no need for me to be looking for sells. Why? Because I've already been established as bullish. And my indicator over here tells me that I'm bullish. So why would I ever look for a sell opportunity? And that's the reason why these buy opportunities would have extended, would have gone to the moon and never returns. Right? And now we're all the way up here. So that's exactly how you determine the bias. Hopefully you learned something. If you did and want access to this indicator, obviously it's going to be in the Discord. So join up. You have nothing to lose. You have 30 days to actually get in there right now. It's free for now. And then obviously it's going to be closed off. But this is a once in a lifetime. And just end the video right there. But it's true.